Hey everyone, I have a question for y'all. Do you know what a red truck is? No, not that kind of red truck. Seriously. Let me tell ya. A red truck. Okay, let's do this. I'll start with my 7th grade history teacher. Let's call him, Mr. Dollar. Mr. Dollar, he was my boy. Say hi, Mr. Dollar. And it all started when Mr. Dollar was in school. Little school, going to school. Nice person. I mean, he did end up being a history teacher after all. A kid in his class sat up and said, looked his teacher in the eyes and said, "My dad owns a red truck." The class erupted with laughter. So that's a red truck. That's the story. That's a red truck. That's just a red truck. A question that has absolutely nothing to do with a topic. Yeah. But seriously, Mr. Dollar, my boy, if you ever see this video, well, please don't hate me for this. Just don't hate me for this, Mr. Dollar. Well, anyway, bye. Also, yeah, that's it. Bye. This is the only part of the video. So, I wasn't really planning anything with this, so I'm done. Bye.